When it comes to moving earth, size really matters. Bulldozers are the workhorses of the construction industry, and some are so big they look like they belong in a movie. Machines like the Caterpillar D10 don't just push earth, they move mountains. Built for the toughest tasks, from clearing forests to shaping landscapes. In this video we explore the biggest machines that prove that when it comes to bulldozers, big is the only way. The ACO Super Bulldozer is the largest bulldozer ever built, a masterpiece of heavy machinery engineering from Italy. Manufactured in the 1980s, this machine weighs a massive 183 tons and measures approximately 12 meters in length, 7 meters in width, and 4.5 meters in height. It is powered by two Cummins KTA 50C engines, delivering a combined output of 1,350 horsepower, enabling it to operate efficiently in extreme work environments. The colossal blade of the ACO Super Bulldozer can push and level large volumes of soil and rock with unmatched efficiency. Designed primarily for mineral extraction and large-scale construction projects, the ACO Super Bulldozer is an iconic symbol in the heavy construction equipment industry. The Caterpillar D11 TCD is a special upgraded version of the D11 series, boasting a powerful Cat C32 Assert engine delivering 850 horsepower. This machine weighs approximately 104 tons, measuring 10.7 meters in length, 4.56 meters in width, and 4.72 meters in height. The D11 TCD is equipped with advanced electronic control systems that allow operators to adjust performance parameters to optimize efficiency and save fuel. Its blade can push up to 43.6 cubic meters of material in a single pass, making it well suited for mining and construction projects requiring high operational capability, stability, and durability. The Liebherr PR776 Electronic is a bulldozer fitted with a Liebherr D9512 engine generating 768 horsepower and weighing 70.2 tons. Measuring 8.8 meters in length, 4.42 meters in width, with blade, and 4.56 meters in height, it is specifically designed for complex work environments. The PR776 uses an advanced electric drive system that conserves fuel and reduces operational costs. With a durable frame, flexible maneuvering, and remote control system, this machine is ideal for rugged excavation and large-scale earth-moving tasks. The Chetra T40 is a heavy-duty Russian bulldozer, well-suited for harsh and cold conditions. Weighing 70 tons with 700 horsepower from a YMZ 8503.10 engine, the machine measures 8.5 meters in length, 4.3 meters in width, and 4 meters in height. Its blade capacity is around 32 cubic meters. The T40's rugged frame and powerful suspension system enable it to handle challenging terrain like rocks or snow, making it an ideal choice for construction in Russia or colder regions. Known as the Mega Dozer, the Komat'su D575A is one of Komatsu's most powerful and massive bulldozers. Weighing 131.35 tons with an impressive 1,150 horsepower generated by its Komatsu SA12V170E V12 turbocharged engine, this machine measures about 11.72 meters in length, 7.39 meters in width, with blade, and 4.88 meters in height. With the ability to push up to 96 cubic meters of earth and rock in a single pass, the Komat'su D575A is an ideal choice for large-scale excavation and earth-moving operations. Advanced systems reduce fuel consumption and protect the engine, ensuring durable, long-lasting performance. The Shantui SD60 C5 is a mid-sized bulldozer with 600 horsepower from a Weichai WP12 engine. Weighing around 65 tons, it measures 8.4 meters in length, 3.9 meters in width, and 3.7 meters in height. With a blade capacity of 25 cubic meters, it is suitable for medium and smaller construction projects. The SD60 C5 stands out for its fuel-efficient design and flexible operation. Its advanced control and suspension systems minimize vibrations, increase stability during operation, and make it ideal for construction on flat terrain. The Komat'su D475A8 bulldozer is a top choice for projects needing large-scale earth-moving. Powered by a Komat'su SAA12V140E5 engine with 890 horsepower, this machine weighs 112.62 tons. It has a blade capacity of 45 cubic meters and a robust frame, enabling it to handle heavy-duty tasks in construction and mining. It measures 11.31 meters in length, 5.3 meters in width, with blade, and 4.69 meters in height. Its advanced fuel management system and remote control technology allow for flexible operation, fuel efficiency, and easy maintenance. The CAT D10T2 is one of Caterpillar's most advanced bulldozers, with a CAT C27 Assert engine producing 766 horsepower and a weight of 66.1 tons. Measuring 8.7 meters in length, 4.2 meters in width, and 4.2 meters in height, the blade capacity is 22.5 cubic meters, making it efficient for construction and mining earth-moving tasks. The CAT D10T2 employs advanced fuel control technology, minimizing fuel consumption and enhancing engine durability. With flexible control systems and safety features, it's designed to optimize performance in demanding work environments. The Fiat Alice HD41 FD50 is a legendary Italian bulldozer, manufactured in the 1970s but still valued for its robust design and outstanding performance. With 524 horsepower from a Cummins VT1710 engine and weighing approximately 45.4 tons, it measures 8.7 meters in length, 3.7 meters in width, and 3.6 meters in height. Equipped with a 23 cubic meter blade, the HD41 FD50 is suited for heavy-duty mining work. Its durable frame and resilient engine enable reliable operation under harsh conditions, making it a trusted choice for projects requiring high stability. The Shantui SD90 C5 is a heavy-duty bulldozer from China, weighing 106 tons and powered by a 900 horsepower Cummins QSK23 engine. It can push around 45 cubic meters of material and measures 10.9 meters in length, 4.6 meters in width, and 4.5 meters in height. Equipped with advanced control features, it minimizes vibrations and enhances stability during operation. With competitive pricing and robust performance, the Shantui SD90 C5 is a popular choice for demanding construction and mining projects. The CAT D10T2 is one of Caterpillar's most advanced bulldozers, with a CAT C27 Assert engine producing 766 horsepower and a weight of 66.1 tons. Measuring 8.7 meters in length, 4.2 meters in width, and 4.2 meters in height, The blade capacity is 22.5 cubic meters, making it efficient for construction and mining earth-moving tasks. The CAT D10T2 employs advanced fuel control technology, minimizing fuel consumption and enhancing engine durability. With flexible control systems and safety features, it's designed to optimize performance in demanding work environments.